Aravalli is already protected.
No, sir, it is not. I mean, according to the constitution, the illegal mining and all are prohibited. But we all, because there is a lot of resources that are still coming from the Aravalli, and even though mining is now prohibited, it is not completely like compulsory that we cannot mining. In fact, the government are very loose on this. Like in Haryana, there is a mountain called Doshi Mountain in the Aravalli range. It is almost 75% ruined, completely ruined. The height is decreasing, the stones are all losing the velocity, the diversity, the animals, they are all situated in a different habitat now. They do not have their homes, so it is not very safe.
Which state you from now? Which
Odisha.
state? Odisha. So
So
you have
I live in Gujarat ever since.
so how you know about the Aravalli?
Sir, because it is a very important culture. It is a very important part of our culture, of our Indian culture.
Okay.
I'm from Bihar. I am from
Okay. So Aravalli range start from
Rajasthan, Haryana, and Gujarat and Delhi. Yes, sir.
so you have any project for saving
What do you have any
Aravalli?
alternative to save Aravalli in
Yes,
the
sir.
coming days
Yes,
in
sir.
the model? Would you
Yes,
elaborate?
sir. So there is another thing called sustainable mining. In that sustainable mining, whenever you take something out from the mountains, you have to refill the land with sand, and then you have to plant different trees and again make it habitable. But most of the mining in our country that happens, they do not follow this rule. And another thing, sir, in China there is a recent innovation called eco bricks. So in that, the plastic waste that is created by the people, it is melted and made into bricks. The bricks are very hydrophobic, strong, and now we can also reuse the bricks. I mean the plastic waste. So maybe if we will give less budget to mining and instead transfer the budget to innovative ideas that the youth of our country is coming up to, maybe we will survive. Maybe we will protect our resources.